So I'm on an opportunity, and on this opportunity, there is a bunch of contacts. There is a bunch of activities here, right? And these activities are like, hey, I had a meeting with this. This is what was discussed, whatever, right? So I have a bunch of things like these on this opportunity, very typical opportunity. And I'm going to show you an AI prompt that you can actually use and incorporate a lot of the kind of logic that we talked about. So this is very interesting and actually something that's really never been done before prior to AI. Everything else was a lot of guesswork. So I run this, and what you will see is when this prompt executes, GPTfy is taking all of this data, the opportunity data, the related activities, all of the contact, opportunity contact, all of that stuff. It's sending it to AI. And what AI is doing is AI is looking at the rules and it's saying, you haven't scheduled a meeting with a decision maker based on the stage of the opportunity, right? There are some objections that somebody has raised and it's saying, hey, you need to address these objections. And it's giving you why it is offering this advice. So it's a really interesting way for companies to distill all of the selling guidance that they want to incorporate and actually do this. So I'm going to take a few minutes and show you under the hood what's happening. So I'm going to click on this thing and I'll show you what we call a security audit record. Okay. And basically what you're seeing now is that I'm going against, in this case, Google AI. We can go against any AI. So you prefer Gemini, if you like Azure, OpenAI on Azure, if you like Bedrock, AWS, whatever, right? So this is my prompt, very plain English prompt with some field names embedded in it. So this is stage name from opportunity. And so basically in this prompt, I have the same guidance. I'm saying, look, if this opportunity is in prospecting, evaluate the size and whatever, look at this, and this is the action item. If they haven't done it, ask them for it. So it's got all of this guidance baked in and it's plain English. The beauty of this is that you can actually have BAs and sales operation people and all the specialists in this space in your industry, in your customers, organization, if you're in consulting or for your employer, you can bring the best of sales brains and you can write as much of these rules as you want. Because AI is significantly getting capable of addressing a lot of this information. This thing is called token size, right? Or token context size. So you can have as big of a context as you want, and you can write a lot of these things. If you want, you can write like 70 pages of this in a prompt. But the idea is that you are now able to put in a lot of this information. You may also give some examples of like, hey, if this happens, these are some examples of how you want the feedback to be given to the end user. And so you've got all of this information in the prompt. And then we are extracting this information from Salesforce in a JSON format, sending it to AI. AI evaluates it, comes back with a bunch of things. And essentially, you can then extract this. GPTfy is showing this. That's what we were looking at on this view here. And we can update it, fields with it. You can run flows, do whatever you like. So that is really a very interesting way to accelerate sales by bringing the best practices from inside your company, from third-party consultants, use whatever banked or whatever framework you want to use. And it's a great way to move things forward.